Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can go live on Lemon8. In order to do so, here we are at lemon8-app.com, and with Lemon8, it's an app. You can download it on the App Store or on Google Play. After doing some research, I was able to determine Lemon8 does not offer that functionality, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Also, if you check in the description, you will find a link to our link tree, and there you will find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars and also our top AI recommendations like Sintra AI, Cider, and EnzoBot. Take a look at those, click on those links. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.